Yeah, so the breaking point was I got rushed to hospital a few times. I was just like stomach pain so bad, like I was just like on the ground in agony, and got taken to hospital, and they couldn't find anything. Well, I've probably been trying to get my gut better for 4 or 5 years, and worked with a couple of like one of the best naturopaths in Australia who specialises in gut health, and I worked with her for 9 months, and in 8 weeks you fix the problem that people have been trying to fix for 4 years. Oh yeah, I spent thousands on tests and supplements and silly diets that I didn't want to listen to. And you look healthy, like I looked healthy, but I just didn't feel it. And that's probably the worst bit. You're like, oh, I've got gut issues, and like, oh, everyone's like, oh, so do I. You're like, no, no, you don't. With you, I found you understood what I was trying to do with like just my health and fitness. If you suggested something and I didn't like it, you'd find a way around it where they'd kind of just sink their feet in the mud and just be like, no, that's how it's got to be. And you just understood my lifestyle. Like, you're young as well, you get it. You can be like, there was always a workaround where with